I'm going to show you the coolest Canva trick that I just learned. I don't know how I did not know this before. It is so cool, and so I wanted to do a little short video and show you what I've learned. So here is a copy of a thumbnail that I had made. It was a project I made a few weeks ago, and so I just made a copy so that we wouldn't mess with the original. Now here, nice and pretty, it's got my brand colors with the pink, but let's say we wanted to change that. Maybe we want to pull in more of the colors from this picture. So I can go over here, open up a new tab, and let's just do pretty floral arrangements with succulents. Okay, oh, this one's pretty. So I'm just going to right click on that and I'm going to say copy image. I'm going to go back over here to our little project. I'm going to hit Control V as in Victor. It's going to pull up that picture. I'm going to right click on it with my mouse and I'm going to go all the way to the very bottom. It says apply colors to page. Boom. Isn't that so cool? We just took and changed, it just took and changed all our element colors to the picture that we just chose. So that saves us from having to manually go into each element and change the color. Isn't that just so cool? So you could do the same thing if you didn't want to go to Google. We can just right click on our picture and say apply colors to page. And it's going to change our elements. Isn't that just so neat? So if you love this little tip and trick, be sure and subscribe, hit that little notification bell, and you'll be notified every time we have a new tutorial.